Hiya, it's Adam here from AM Web Design and Digital Marketing, generating more leads, more clients and more profits for your business online. So what we're going to be covering in this tutorial is how to create a Facebook page header. It's dead simple, it's free, just take you about 10 minutes, 20 minutes just to mess around, get it looking exactly how you want it, but it's a very simple process. Okay, so if you want to learn how to do it, just stay tuned and watch the video. Enjoy it. Okay, so what we're going to be doing, we're going to create a, where are we, Google. Okay, so this is a client of mine. This is the Facebook header that he's got at the moment, which is a side picture of a bathtub. So what we're going to go in and do, I'm going to redo this image, and then I'm going to have a look at redoing this image here and make this a bit brighter and a bit more stand out. Okay, so what we're going to do, now, for doing this, you come across to a website called Canva, canva.com. It's free to use. So if you want to know what sizes you need for certain images, just come across here. And for this case, we're going to go Facebook, and it will bring up a selection of ready-made images and sizes. So if you're doing an ad, it's giving you the recommended image size for an advert. If you're doing a Facebook cover, which we're going to be doing here, the recommended size for that. If you're doing a post, the recommended size for doing a Facebook post. If you're doing video, the recommended sizes for videos, and everything that you need is on here. So if you were doing something, say YouTube icons, YouTube thumbnails, channel art, Twitter headers, Twitter posts, everything you need, it gives you the sizes all ready to go. Okay, so you don't have to think about anything too hard. So we'll just go with Facebook anyway, and we'll do the cover. Click on it. As you can see, you can either have a blank one, or you can start with, have a flick through. You might see something that suits your style. To be honest, I'm just going to start with a blank one. So just click blank. But you might find something, again, they'll appear here, so they're all free. But I've just got a blank one here. So what I'm going to do, my client, we already have lots of images there. These are all different images that we've got. We'll have a look, because what we can do, there's the radiators there. We'll do that. We'll just use a radiator one. Okay. In Canva, because I want a background, I'm going to choose one of those images. So I can go to Uploads, upload an image, and then I'll just hunt around and find it. Okay, so we've got all here. There, go for this, the boiler engineer one actually. Let's see. There you go. Could just use the icons on the side just to enlarge it. There we go. Click off there. Now I want to put our logo on it, so we go there. Logo, that's the site icon. I've got a transparent logo. Now, for mobile, generally when you upload a full-size image, this is the image as it will appear on a desktop, this full size. When you do it on mobile and check it, it will generally cut out the sides of the image. So make sure any important information you have is nice and central. As you can see, it will provide lines to tell you when that image is central. There we go. Now to make this stand out a little bit more, I'm going to come across to here. You can just flick around and test all this. So I've got elements. You can choose all these different images and shapes. I'm just going to go for a square, and I'm going to change the background to white. Now I'll move my head out of the way. Now what you can do is put that as a top layer. So go position, backward. There we go. Microwave, heating and plumbing. I'll make it nice and central. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to click off, get on the background image, and I'm going to make it transparent. So this here, so you can just see the image behind it. There you go. So to be quite honest, for the moment, that's an improvement on the bath to what we've got, and you can choose any images. If you do have problem finding images, if you come across to here, this is called pixabay.com. Oh, Pixabay, no, let's go pixabay.com, and in here you can literally log in. It's free to sign up and get an account. Okay, and you can type in anything. So if we go bathroom, this is a bathroom, it does engineering. At the top here, these are sponsored image from Shutterstock. So these are about £5-6 per image as you purchase them from Shutterstock. However, as you scroll down, these are all the Pixabay ones, which are free. So you can use any of these. So if you were doing bathroom fitting and you wanted a nice picture of a bathroom, you could do that. Free download. Gives you the choice of sizes. Download that. As you see, it's just downloaded it. Open my files. Download. There it is. And then if we go quickly back to Canvas, so if I wanted to use it as a different background, upload. I'll just go to my downloads. There it is. So put a nice click off of it, and there you go. You've now got the bathroom with the Hargreave heating and plumbing done. Nice and simple. If we wanted to add text to this, so if we wanted the phone number on here, you'll just click here on text, add a heading, and we can just go in and type the phone number in. So I'll just do that just to get the okay, so that's the phone number. There you go, so it's centralized. If we wanted to take the colors from here, what we can do, there's a little Google add-on that you can get called Color Picker. And I'll come down and we'll go for the orange. No, it's not picked up the orange. So it's put that colour to the clipboard. Highlight over there. There we go. And if we wanted to change the font, click. There you go. It's quite a nice font actually. And again, if we want to then make that stand out. Oops, wrong one. And we'll get rid of this background. There's my uploads. Take our engineer again because I quite like that one. I think that image sells the service. There we go. Now we can change that. Hargreave heating and plumbing. There we go. So just when it says all changes saved, click on it to download. Because we're going to upload it to Facebook, we might as well do it high quality as a PNG. Okay. Now we'll come across here, change cover photo, upload a photo. That's one we just downloaded. Correctly sized, everything's done. Save that. And And there we go. We've got a nice new header with the all the information. In fact, what I'm going to do, although that number is central to the actual image, I'm going to drag it across and centralize it underneath the writing. We'll make it bold as well. There we go. So click off, give it a moment. All changes saved. Get out of the way. Download it again. Upload folder. There we go. So it's just done it there. Save that. Okay, so that's as easy as it is. That's now a new Facebook cover on there. If we wanted to redo this image, literally you can go create a design, custom dimensions, we'll go for 360. We want a square. Create the design, and it gives it there. So then we go uploads. Okay, I'm going to upload it in a similar way. Documents. Where's it gone? Transparent one there. We'll open both of them. So we've got that. And then elements. And again, we'll just block it. Turn that white. Position backward. Grove heating and plumbing. So I'm happy with that. Save that. That's it, just wait for a moment. All changes saved. We can now download that as a PNG. That's done. Back to here. God, my head gets in the way all the time. I'm going to update that. Upload the photo. Save. Profile picture has been successfully saved. And it's just a little bit more colourful, a little bit of improvement on the other one. Okay, so that's it. So you can go in here and you can pretty much do anything. Canva is fantastic for creating designs of whatever one you want. Facebook, posts, just come in here and it can give you loads of templates to even just get you started. So literally there, come in, change your background. If you want to change the background, we'll go for that one. And then you can just come in, change the text, bin the text, and do whatever you want. It is so good. And this is just in the free version. This isn't even the premium one. Because the premium one, some of these images, you scroll down, let's have a look. You'll get paid versions and stuff like that. So you can just choose images that are paid. And then you've got different choices, just change colours, change this, you know, photos there. You can, I think this actually comes from Pixabay, so if we went engineer, it would be Unsplash or Pixabay. There you go, so we go, oh right, well we'll have this person here giving us a big thumbs up. And we'll have that as the background. And this whole box, we're going to move off to one side. We'll shrink it down where it fits naturally in with her. So therefore you've got straight away images that you can come in Okay, and it's that simple. Change the background images, just look what you want, find whatever you want to do. There are thousands, and as you see, these are all free images that you can use. You will get the occasional one that pops up that you've got to pay for. See, like this little royalty crown. So if you wanted to use that image, it would cost you, they're normally about $1 or something to use the images. But we'll stick with free, because free works. And that's it. You can just crack on, mess around with this, choose what you want, download it to your computer, and upload it to whatever format that you want to use. Okay, so hope you enjoyed the video. Like I said, it's very quick and very brief. But Canva is a fantastic system with all this built in, and Pixabay as well for images. You can use it for absolutely anything. Okay, so I'll see you in another video.